My people, una good evening. This video wey una just watch now I wan talk about this video for wetin this small pikin perform. Wetin this pikin perform now dey very bad for school for that matter. Although I no judge the pikin, I no judge the teacher, because I no know wetin happen wey make that pikin vex like that. Begin dey destroy the whole desk wey dem take dey read for school, everything. Begin dey destroy everything. Abeg, my good mother, mo still dey try. Abeg, na abeg I dey. Abeg, my people, una try to share this video as I dey drop this video. Una try to help me share this video, abeg. Because wetin this pikin do so, some of us we no know how to take care of children. We mother for this abroad where we dey, we no know how to caution our children. All the name will say, we born them for abroad, oh, we born them for abroad. We no fit talk to them. I no say mona carry cutlass take cut their neck or mona tear their head into two. No. So say they talk to them, they go call police. Call police for waiting. Call police for waiting. Who they want call police for? They don't know mama where they want call police for. Like my daughter the other day, me and I go near supermarket for near my house. We come out, they begin to cry. For where vigil is, then I give one for nyash. Vigil stand there, they look me. Okay, because I can't say vigil, and I can't they cry for waiting, I not get the money to buy. How can they say because they made them go call police for me? I no fit control my own pikin again because I born her for abroad. No. It not make sense like that, my people. Or you go school. You go school finish. I'll come back, go carry in the afternoon. Teacher, I'll come tell me, say, waiting my pikin perform. Or they call me for meeting. Every blessed day. And now so your pikin do this one for school. Now so your pikin do this one for school. My people, you not good. More tell ourselves the truth. This character where this pikin perform so, if they do one for us, if this pikin not they perform this kind of character for us, you not go perform one for school. They say charity begins at home. Because now waiting start for us, now be that. I beg my people. You know me say we born pikin for abroad, say we not go fit talk to our pikin. Me, I dey talk to my own. Because I can't talk to them, now go make police compress my bed, make them compress. I not kill her, not tear his head. I know say we no fit use well they say treat us for Africa. Can't they treat pikin for here? But you know me say because say we no fit use where our papa and mama say treat us for Africa, they treat our own pikin. Make fear no even let us touch our pikin. You get one day why they work out for Facebook. Now see 17 years old boy for America where use go shoot him mama. But as me say the same way they grow, they come. If they do anyhow, they handle this pikin well. I not believe say that pikin go fit carry that gun 17 years old. Kill mama. Because of say he has something. I don't know. Cause the thing I know just put it I just swaka person. Now so it the start. Now so my people, my good people, now so it the start. I beg our mother, more they still they try. We born pikin for abroad, not me say we no fit control our pikin. Oyibo back, Oyibo me don't see Oyibo, and the waka they come afternoon one day. I don't know what the pikin they do. If you see slap where this man gave the pikin for nyash, he give her the slap and he goes like tramp for his car. That one na Oyibo. Oyibo not be Moroccan. So I born her for abroad. And I know say abroad children, they know they talk to them. Who tell una say they don't talk to abroad children? Who tell una that word? When I tell they spoil pikin, I bet my people, when they take her easy because all this kind of character, it not just good for her at all. It not good. Now where be the mother? Now the shame day body. Mona share this video. May God reach where this pikin mama day. Mona share am.